Hello, in this video I will teach you how to scrape LinkedIn Sales Navigator. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is the database of LinkedIn, and it's really handy to scrape that data because you can use it to do later other automations with ZeroWork. So we will scrape them all: the location, the company URL, the LinkedIn URL, and the Sales Navigator URL. First, I really want to give a little tip for the ones of you who don't have Sales Navigator. There is a little glitch if you go to linkedin.com and you type Sales Navigator in the sidebar and you press enter. You come on a specific thank you page for podcast listeners, and you can get the 60-day free trial of Sales Navigator. So it's really handy to activate this once, and then you have 2 months of free Sales Navigator to scrape all your leads. To scrape the leads, what we will use is ZeroWork. There is an affiliate link in the description. It would really help out to use this link, and you will get a free trial. After you've created an account, you can go to the second link, which will contain the taskbot, and you can just add it to my account. After, you can open it. And here we have the complete scraper. I will tell you what to do to set it up. So it's super simple. You only have to insert the Sales Navigator URL you want to scrape. So for example, I want to scrape this list. I will make sure I'm on the first page. I will copy the link. I will put it in my Sales Navigator. And the second thing we need to do is we need to install the cookies. So when I go to the profile, you need to browser extension cookie editor. And when you click it, you can export the cookies. The link to the extension is also in the description. After this, you can paste the cookies here, and actually now you're finished. Everything is done, so I will run this taskbot. And in the meantime, while it's running, I will explain how it works. So make sure your ZeroWork agent is running. So it's starting up. And what it actually will do, it will open the link, and then, so here it's opening, and then it will check for the listings. So there are usually 25 listings per page, and it will look for them, and it will scroll down to the listings. Like now you see it scrolling down, and it does this to actually load the listings, because you can only scrape the listings after they're loaded. After that, it will actually start scraping all the information, like the Sales Navigator URL, the LinkedIn URL it will create from the Sales Navigator URL, the name, the location, the company URL. And then after it's finished, it will check again if there are no new leads who loaded. And if it's sure it did all the leads, it will actually go to the next page. So here I have some JavaScript that actually just goes to the next page. So it takes the Sales Navigator URL, it takes the page number, and it actually just says like, hey, go to the next page, because in the blog before I said like the page does it plus 1 number. So it's actually a very simple scraper. Like you can see, it's just scraping everything, and it will, like, what will happen in the end, so every time it's going to a next page, it will check like, hey, do I find new leads? So this is the selector for the lead. Do I find new leads? If it does find new leads, it will start scraping the leads, and if it does not find new leads, it means we're reached the end, and it will stop scraping and remove the duplicates. So this is actually the scraper. You can just let it run until the end, until all the leads are scraped. I will already open the table, and like you can see, everything is being scraped. So this is actually a very small video. I just wanted to share this with you. I will continue on this LinkedIn automation journey. So the next automation we will probably make to actually send these people LinkedIn requests, and that way like automate our LinkedIn outreach. So this is just the first step of the series. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let them know down below, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.